Hey everyone, and welcome to the WooCommerce Dynamic Pricing course. Are you ready to turn your online store into a profit-generating machine? Because that's exactly what we're going to do. My name is Mike, and this is Sleekr Digital. In this course, we're diving deep into the wonderful world of dynamic pricing. Forget those boring, static price tags. We're talking about smart pricing that adapts to different customers, order sizes, and even the phases of the moon. Just kidding. Mostly, this plugin will let you create powerful pricing rules. Discounts based on quantity, role, order total, or even specific product categories. Think buy two, get one free special deals for your loyal subscribers, or clearing out older stock with category-wide sales. You can create pricing rules for 7 different modes available on the plugin. Now, why is this awesome? Because it helps you boost sales, increase average order value, and reward your customers, all while maximizing your profits. Think of it like having a super smart pricing assistant who works 24/7. Over the next few videos, we'll walk through everything from setting up single product pricing to configuring category-wide promotions. Don't worry, it's easier than juggling flaming chainsaws. I promise. So, buckle up, grab your favorite beverage, and let's get ready to unlock the full potential of your WooCommerce store. Let's get started.